Why thousands trust Aluk for their everyday silver? Aluk silver represents a legacy deeply rooted in Kerala's rich tradition, where silver has always been more than an ornament. For generations, silver has been worn close to the body, trusted for everyday comfort, valued for its calming feel, and cherished for its beauty and meaning. With over 34 years of craftsmanship and trust, Aluk Silver has grown from a family-led journey into a name respected by customers across India and around the world. At www.alukaran.com, every jewelry piece is crafted using BIS hallmarked pure silver, ensuring certified purity, skin-safe quality, and long-lasting value. This hallmark is your assurance that what you wear is genuine, tested, and made to the highest standards. Our designs are inspired by traditional Kerala aesthetics and refined to suit modern, everyday lifestyles. The Aluk silver belly chains are designed for women who seek both comfort and elegance. Lightweight and smoothly finished, these belly chains sit gently on the waist and feel cool on the skin, making them ideal for daily wear, especially in warm climates. They reflect traditional Kerala style while remaining subtle and graceful for everyday use. Our silver anklets are a celebration of timeless tradition. Crafted with balanced weight and fine detailing, they move naturally with every step. These anklets are comfortable enough for daily wear and elegant enough for special occasion, offering lasting shine and a gentle, skin-friendly feel. The Rudraksh bracelets and chains combine authentic Rudraksh beads with silver accents, bringing together spiritual significance and simple elegance. These bracelets are often chosen for daily wear, meditation, and gifting, valued for their association with focus, balance, and positive energy. Sandalwood bracelets and chains from Aluk silver are known for their natural aroma and calming presence. Paired with silver elements, they offer a soothing, cooling feel and a grounded elegance, making them perfect for everyday wear and spiritual practices. Our Spatika crystal bracelets and chains are crafted using clear, polished Spatika beads with silver detailing. Lightweight and serene, these bracelets are traditionally associated with clarity and calmness, making them a popular choice for those seeking both wellness and simplicity in their jewelry. The Navratna rings are handcrafted in hallmarked silver and set with 9 sacred gemstones. Each gemstone represents a planetary energy, symbolizing balance and harmony. These rings are both visually striking and deeply meaningful, suitable for special occasion or purposeful daily wear. What truly sets Aluk silver apart is not just the jewelry, but the values behind it. We believe buying silver should always be worry-free. That's why every purchase comes with a 7-day return policy for complete peace of mind and a buyback guarantee, where old silver is repurchased at the current market rate, ensuring long-term value and trust. For customer convenience, Aluk silver offers cash on delivery across India, secure online payment options, and worldwide shipping, making our jewelry accessible wherever you are. Whether you're choosing jewelry for daily wear, a meaningful gift, or a traditional occasion, every order is handled with care, transparency, and respect. Aluk silver stands for purity, tradition, comfort, and honesty, values built over decades and carried forward with every design. When you choose Aluk, you're not just buying silver jewelry, you're becoming part of a trusted legacy passed down through generations. Explore our collections at www.alukaran.com and experience silver the way it was meant to be worn, pure, meaningful, and forever trusted.